Your adventures are bigger than ever in the new Subaru Ascent. With seating up to 8 and 3 different interior options, Ascent delivers unprecedented comfort, performance, and reliability to carry you, your family, and your gear on your adventures. Step into the driver's seat for an unparalleled view of the world with 8.7 inches of ground clearance and an 11.6-inch Starlink multimedia touchscreen display. With Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, standard among all trim levels, backup camera, and available blind spot monitoring with a front-facing camera on select trim levels, the Ascent is always giving you an additional set of eyes on the road and protecting the precious cargo inside. Outside with available X mode, Subaru's standard Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive, and the handling you expect from a Subaru, you no longer have to fear the elements. Instead, tackle them all head-on with grace, power, and confidence to bend the road to your will. With a variety of exterior colors and interior options, the Ascent is the ideal SUV for you and your family. Call, click, or come in to start your Subaru adventure today.